Hi, this is Paul from Intella Parts Company, and today we're going to help you find out where you can get your serial number for your Raymond forklift. Having the correct serial number for a Raymond is a very crucial piece of information to have when looking for parts. The quickest and easiest way to find that serial number is to just check the data tag or nameplate. On that you'll have your model, serial, how much it weighs, what it can lift, but most importantly it also has that serial number. Usually it's on a dashboard, usually it's like to the left or right of your steering wheel, but sometimes you have ones that are to the left of the driver's seat or to the right of the driver's seat. They're pretty easy to identify. They're going to be usually a silver colored plate that says Raymond on the top. Now, what happens if your nameplate is worn out, you can't read it anymore, or it's just missing altogether? You don't have to worry quite yet. You can also find the serial number physically stamped onto its chassis. For Raymond trucks, that number is often located in the power section, usually under the controller. But you have to keep in mind there are also shop work order numbers stamped onto different places on that frame, which are not serial numbers. So if you need an example, look at some of these data tags that we've included here in this video, and you kind of get an idea. I mean, Raymond serial numbers since 1977 have had the same format, so the majority of Raymonds that are still active out there use this format, which is a 3 number, -2 number, -5 number sequence. So if you have a work order number that's on there that's not in that sequence, then you know that's probably not your serial number. So if your nameplate data tag is missing or just isn't working for you, now you know where to find that particular number on your forklift. Just remember, it's physically stamped into the frame. It's not like painted on. It'll be like a stamp, like a car VIN number would be. So once you find that serial number, give us a call and we'll help you find the correct parts for your Raymond forklift. My name is Paul from Intella Parts Company, and I will see you in the next video.